mess to increase the appetite. You know what I'm saying?
Let's try to make some edible.
And fried dumplings, tostones, green plantain, and toto.
Mukbang, yeah, make the people in here eat it as like a mukbang. Hurry up.
Alright guys, picking some ackee off the tree on the farm. There they are in the top. And this is gonna be a mukbang, so you don't know. It's a good amount. I gotta stuff it in our belly. We're going to climb the tree for now. Get some ackee. Yeah, hold it. Hold them soldier. Yeah, Spider-Man. Watch ya. Easy. Oh, see you there, guys. Yeah. Yeah, it's dropping the grass, you never really hear it.
No man, see it.
Oh, that's your attack. Yeah, an ackee for you guys. Yeah, throw the ackee so close like you want to get the people in some ackee. Guys, you see how shiny his back is? It's hot out here. But we doing it. You know, it was raining for a whole week, guys, so we're really grateful for the sunshine, and that's why we weren't able to really record any new content, because it's been raining non-stop for a whole week. But we're back at it again. This is the banana tree, our plantain tree. The leaves. Here's my girl, go show. Easy. Alright, so here is what we have gathered. Either ackee leaves. Nice little flower. Rose making a nice little bouquet of ackee for you guys. But this is what we're gonna be cooking today. Worry ackee, man. Nice and plentiful for the mukbang. And the tree again loaded. Still a pick. Right now in Jamaica, everybody who has ackee trees are actually picking them to sell to the factories. And the factories sell it to the big companies. Well, it's for the big companies, and then they make a profit and a killing off of it. They don't really give the locals that much for it. But then they package it and send it to you guys in America.
I'm selling a 1 can for $9.99 and $11.99 and $12.99 because I used to buy them, so I know the price. Yeah.
And then don't taste as good.
Yeah, cheapest you can get a can of ackee in America is $9.99 for one small can.
Yes.
And it's not even have a dozen ackee in it. That's not even a dozen ackee.
Yeah.
I can tell you.
So, yeah, they don't give the locals, I think for one full big bag, they give the locals like $20-something for a big full bag. Yeah. And then they're going to sell one can with like maybe 6 ackees in there for like $10 US. It's crazy. So yes, guys. It's a good thing we have them for free. Alright, y'all. So now Ro is basically taking the ackees out the skin. So the skin's over here. And he's putting them in the bowl. And before you cook them, you take out the seeds. The seeds are the big black things in the middle.
Yeah, I'm sure you know how to deal with it, man. No worry.
Yeah.
And you don't have to have saltfish with the ackee.
Yes, you don't have to. What is this?
But it tastes better.
Nicer. Yeah. Very high in fat. I think Maybe even giving avocado a run for its money, honestly.
Yeah, man, Ackee. Very, very fatty, man.
Yeah, it's more fatty than avocados, guys. So. Alright, guys. So now we're about to make some coconut flour.
Yeah,
for the
coconut
dumplings.
Yeah, coconut flakes. So coconut dumpling.
We're adding some more flour to the coconut. This is our new little starter coop. Yeah, and we got Snow here. Snow! She decided to walk in the rain because the way we set up the coop, yes, it has grills, and you would think that they're all gonna get soaked, but they're not. I don't know what she was doing in the rain, but yeah. I want you guys to see her ears. Look how blue and pretty that is. So, yes, this is Snow, our newest hen. And these little boogers are crying because I think they're hungry or something. 50's over here. 50's over there. But yeah. Newest member here with the gang. These boogers are about to get feeding soon. The angry mob. Hello, angry mob. Say hello. Alright, guys. So Rose cleaning up some ackee. And his hands look like that because he just did the coconut flour for the dumplings, the fried dumplings that we're going to be making. Yeah, so now watch that. Coconut fried dumpling. I bet you never see that before.
See the ones I'm going to clean up already there.
Alright, these are the ones that he's cleaned already. So these are what it's supposed to look like, guys, right before you boil them to cook them. You take out the seeds, like I told you earlier. See all the seeds right there on the tray. Alright, and you also take out this, yeah, watch Ro do this one.
And some little pink things inside. Not really depend on the inside of this one, but some always depend on the inside and find one. Alright, so like this. And then pink thing, you know, you take them out with a knife, yeah?
So here are the spices we're gonna put in the cake. So we have nutmeg, vanilla,
yeah, and cinnamon.
Here's our cake pan, and here's the flour. Here's the coconut.
Dry coconut flakes. Dry coconut flakes.
Yes.
Not the wet one. I already squeeze out the juice and everything. So this is the milk over here.
Yes. We're gonna add about 2 cups of milk. So here's the milk. Now we're gonna add about 2 cups of this in the flour in a second. We're gonna add some butter. Alright, guys, so we got the butter. Alright, next we're gonna be adding some flour. We're gonna add all our dry ingredients first. So next we're gonna be adding in the flour. Okay, added in some flour, sugar. Then in goes the baking powder. Alright, now we're throwing in the milk, guys. About 2 cups. Alright, we're gonna mix. Alright, guys, so here's our little oven. Oven is preheating. Hey guys, so this is my lemongrass that I planted. If you believe it or not, I literally had like 2 sprigs that I like asked my next door neighbor from. It was literally like 2 or 3 pieces of grass, of lemongrass that I planted, and look at how huge this thing is now. When did I plant this? Oh, I planted it last year, late last year, right? So So I planted this around like September of last year, and look how freaking huge this thing is. So guys, now for the fun parts.
Cinnamon.
We're gonna put in the spices, you know, a little bit more. About a tablespoon of each. Oh guys, ginger, grated ginger is gonna go in here too. Then we got the nutmeg extract. Nice. If you have the cinnamon powder and the nutmeg itself and you want to grate it in there, that works too. In goes the ginger. I want to grate it like a tablespoon worth of ginger. Together and proceed to put it in the oven. Alright guys, so the cake is in the quote-unquote oven now. Okay guys, so this is what the cake is looking like so far. It's pretty much done. Yeah, so nice coconut cake, aka Toto. Just added a little bit more coconut milk on top, so that's what you see here. So that's gonna make a little glaze on top of the cake. Pour in a little bit more coconut milk. Yeah. Have the ackee boiling in coconut milk, and now we're gonna add a little oil. Love stopping nice. The bad girl brownie there, guys. Brownie. She love ignore people. Oh, now you wanna look. We just dashed in the ackee of oh Jesus, the saltfish. Guys, it's been a long day. So now
black pepper now.
Yeah. So it's a cook down. Yeah, it's a fluff. I said to that. Okay, so the ackee is finishing up. So it has a nice creamy yellow color because there is coconut milk in there, like we said before. It was boiling down in the coconut milk, and all the milk pretty much boiled down. So now that's about it. It's gonna take it off the fire and put on. How's that going?
Good.
Alright, frying pot, guys.
So the same pot we need the flour in it. That's where the flour remnants on it.
Yeah, guys. So if you didn't catch what Ro said, because he talks really fast sometimes, this is the same pot that we put kneaded the dough in for the dumplings. That's why you see some flour remnants around the pot. So don't be alarmed. Alright. Alright guys, so these are coconut Johnny cakes. Something a little different.
Yeah.
So nice fried dumplings with coconut flakes in there. It's gonna be, and coconut milk. Oh my god, these are gonna be so good. Can't wait to try them for the mukbang. The mukbang. First contestant. Guys, let the oil drip off and in. If you have some paper towel, you can line the bowl with some paper towel, but you already know this is off-grid style. Hey guys, so we are cooking up, whipping it in the kitchen, in the outdoor kitchen, you know. So we're out there testing out the dumplings. Yeah, so like we said, come back from river now. I cook up a little pot, and yeah, give you a little mukbang for some ackee and saltfish and some fried dumpling. These flies are so disrespectful. But yeah, some ackee and saltfish and some fried dumpling, coconut fried dumpling. You never see that before. You never see that before. You've never even named it before, so don't tell me that. Comment below if you somehow have eaten that before. Coconut fried dumpling. Yes, comment below if you've ever had coconut fried dumpling or if you would like to try it. Comment down below, let us know what's going on. So yeah, come back from river now after all a vibe, put on a pot and you know, run the boat, run the pot boat. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and we even have dessert for you guys, so stay tuned and keep watching us prepare this delicious meal. So the little angry mob is waiting for their dinner as well. Yeah. We're not go yet, you know. We have to cook for dinner first. Wouldn't be a mukbang without a few sides, right? Ackee and saltfish as a, you know, the meat, I guess. And then you have the sides. So you already see one of the sides, which was a coconut fried dumpling. Now I'm making garlic infused tostones, or crushed green plantain, as Jamaican would call it. Spanish people call it tostones. So yeah, and they always infuse theirs with garlic or make a side sauce with garlic. So I'm from New York, so you already know. I love my Spanish cuisine, so the garlic is really a nice spin on it. I can't seem to stop eating them now without the garlic, so yeah, try that. Yeah, see, we put the garlic cloves in there and it's gonna infuse the oil and it's gonna make the tostones taste amazing. So yeah. Hey guys,
The first crush one.
crushing up the plantains.
Crushing up the plantain.
These are the hands of a chef. Okay, rods, plantain, dough, everything.
Yeah, and a real mukbang, you know, guys. You remember the Toto?
Yeah.
Toto too on the side.
Yeah. So put on your notifications and make sure you're subscribed. Alright guys.
Yeah, this is the mukbang. We have Toto, baked, home baked Toto. It's mad still, really,
Yeah,
really good.
on a wood fire, like we told you that.
Yeah.
That video is gonna come soon. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Evening I fall down, so yeah.
That was sweaty or hot. The day hot like fire. Or outdoor. So I can't do keep on the marina around me.
Oh, face a shine. It's sun to right in. Alright. Like a crunch in action.
Chicken them make be nice. We don't think them are gone.
Let me try dumping them. That's it. Come over, Chef Roman, and people that want to see you eat. Man, definitely would I make them again. Coconut, fried dumpling, bud. try roll up on the cake, you know, guys, but I'm like deep in it. So one, I put some ackee on the dumpling. That's the other over there.
Yeah.
The ackee is so good. Fresh pick ackee after the farm, you see earlier. Happy nice.
What's wrong with you?
No, beg you for food.
Just give up.
Scoop it up with the fried dumpling. But I chop me. Scoop it up with the fried dumpling and
Yeah.
yeah. Right. Oh, this is just Jamaican Food Mukbang. Ackee and Saltfish, coconut fried dumpling, Tostones, green plantain, and Toto.
Big mukbang, yeah, make the people in here eat it up like a mukbang. Hurry up.
Talk about putting on the spot.
My mukbang plate almost done.
Yeah, me too. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes. It's time to go. I'm going to check on them. Guys, I tell you the truth.
This mukbang is mashing me up.
Yeah, I'm on it. I'm trying to secret. My dear, try to get something to make to increase my appetite. You know what I'm saying?
I was trying to make some edibles, but then we were trying to get herbs to buy. And
all the salesman them
gone other places like them are idiot. Jamaica first place Mr. like that. People have them business. Man in the yard that sell herb. And you go there to buy herb and you say the man gone down the road. How long for like
and
maybe
it's
an
not
hour.
literally down the road, you know, guys.
The man gone like maybe an hour walk away from the place. And the man sell stuff. I not leave it with nobody. Why them people that look like
And they always have somebody at your house.
always. People are just in the yard.
And we have to go talk to the people them at yard. We always talk to the people them at his house telling us that he is not there. But it happened to about 80% of the time.
The man never there yard to sell herb. Man, no way, man.
They have one next one where have one shop as a disguise and they sell out of in shop. No, all of a sudden, no, him barely did it. I don't know. He used to have one in woman will run the shop. I don't know if him and in woman are there no more or something like that.
Some shit a go on, but
Something like that.
it actually affect we in a very bad way. You know.
Yeah. The THC levels down here, they're not ready. Them THC the level compared to America, that's like 2001. THC
America
levels
got
for America.
some strain, brother. We can't do.
And you would think that, you know, Jamaica, you know, when you hear Jamaica, you think about high grade. You would think that this place has the highest grade. That's
Jamaica
not
don't have the
true.
highest grade of weed.
That's
America
not
have
true.
the highest grade. So far in my experience, Jamaica not have
And
them
he's
type
born
of
and
weed.
raised here.
America got some type of weed, brother. Well, herb.
Herb.
Well, slap you when right now. You don't even have to quit. You just ingest it and it take no time, man. Hours, yeah, 12 hours we knock out for.
Yeah.
We can tell you from experience.
Yeah. I hope you enjoy the mukbang. Let us know what you would like to try that we cooked out of other things like the Johnny cakes, the Toto cake, We got the hiccups now, Tostones, or Ackee Saltfish. But let us know if you've ever tried any of these things and if you would like to try them. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Alright, and we got more fire content coming for you guys, so stay tuned. And bless up. One low.